Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yeta Fritasari. Today I'm going to present and explain about my paper with the title The Structure of Note-Taking Strategy Towards Student Reading Ability at the Age Grade of MTS Negeri 1st, Bandar Lampung in 2020 and 2021. First, background of problem. English is one of an international language that play an important role in the world for communication. Reading is one of English skills that must be mastered by students. Besides that, the teacher must be able to create a good learning condition, including dynamic lesson and creating the opportunities for students to learn reading effectively. To achieve that condition, the teacher needs a strategy to teach reading in classroom. One of teaching strategy is structure note-taking. It is strategy which can be used in teaching reading to improve student reading ability. Help students become more effective note taker. The structure note-taking is reviewing the text and creating a graphic organizer that match the structure of the text. The second is identification of problem. Based on the background of the problem, the writer identified some problem as follows. First, the student have limited vocabulary to understand the meaning of English word. Second, the student cannot comprehend the text well. Third, the student have difficulty to identify the main idea of the text. And fourth, the student get difficulty to identify the information from the text. The third is formulation of the problem. The writer formulates the problem as follows. First, is the average score students' reading ability, which is tough using structure note-taking strategy, is higher than conventional strategy? 2. Is there any significant influence of using structure note-taking strategy towards student reading ability? The next is the frame of theories. In this part, the writer presents the concept of teaching reading, principle of teaching reading, component of teaching reading, definition of structure note-taking, procedure of using structure note-taking, and the advantages of structure note-taking. Concept of reading. This skill is more important than speaking and writing because reading is not only a source of information and pleasurable activity but also a means of consolidating and extending one's knowledge of the language. Reading is an interactive process that goes on between the reader and the resulting in comprehension. Next is procedure of using structure note-taking. Berg suggests the procedure of teaching structure note-taking as follows. There are 6. The first, the teacher gives students copies of a new short passage to read independently. Second, the teacher gives students handout blank graphic, organizes it. Third, the teacher instructs the students to survey or preview text by looking for subheading, pictures, graphic, caption, and etc. This will provide clues about significant points. Teacher instructs the students to survey or preview text by looking for subheading, pictures, graphic, caption, and etc. This will provide clues about significant points. 4. Direct students to read their passage silently to complete graphic organizer. 5. As an option, have students meet with a partner to share their graphic organizer. Direct them to use text to explain why they include certain information. And the last is, as students become proficient with this process, guide them through a session of developing their own graphic organizer. The next is hypothesis. The writer formulates the hypothesis as follows. First, there is an average score of student reading ability which is tough using structure note-taking strategy is higher than that which is taught through conventional strategy. Second, there is an influence of structure note-taking strategy towards student reading ability. Sampling technique. In determining the sample, the writer used cluster random sampling according to Walter. The population consisting of 6 classes taken to class considered to the class into class experiment and the class control.